All right. I will come back. I've got my weekly here. We'll do the weekly together. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I think this is fun. I love things like this. It's very junk journaly to me, and I love junk journaling. So I'm trying to bring that into my planning right now. I know. So, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is fun. So I can write on this side and I can write on that side. So, and I may just use those for memory keeping, and then that will help me with my 25 days of Christmas as well. So, all right, friends, like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up. I would really, that's the like, but I would really appreciate it. It helps our channel, and I'm really trying to grow the channel right now. So, if you can help out, I'd greatly appreciate it. Yeah, so kind of trying to take this a little bit more into a different path for me on the channel. So anyways, and hopefully that'll bless each of you. And that's the main thing. Also, if this would encourage anybody else, please forward this. This is kind of a different plan with me on the month of December. So anyways, I hope that encourages you to try new things. Okay, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you for being here today. I so appreciate each and every one of you. And come on back and I will do the weekly. And I will put these up together in one day. All right, friends. I'll talk to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.